What's going on, y'all? Here's my snuffer dump from the other day. Yeah, that gold does show up good. Thought I had a little more than that, but the garnets are nice. But here's the real treasure. Just guess, man. I think this is like 1,000 years old. It's starting to crumble and fall apart already. It doesn't look like anything special, right? Look how thick it is. And you turn it over. It's the bottom of something, some type of pot, or really, really old. That is an ancient ass artifact. Yeah, this doesn't look like nothing they made, and it's old shit. Peace.